Vasquez. I am the author of the children's book, The Taco Stand, and it's a really important book to me. It kind of has family meaning behind it. I was inspired by my late grandmother, Isabel, and it's her recipes that we use at our restaurants, Someburros and Isabel's Amore. And I just got the idea to write a story about her and her famous tacos and her delicious food, but also her love of family, and that's what this book is about.
And so why did you write the book?
Well, I was sitting at a dinner table at one of our family members' house in Guadalupe and just watch everybody gathering around the table, enjoying great food, and it just really brings family together, and I just wanted to capture that moment and wrote a book about it. I wrote about 8 years ago just to give to my parents, and I printed it off at Kinko's and gave it to them for Christmas, and they enjoyed it, and so just this year I finally got it published.
And thinking back to when you're growing up, did you have meals like the ones you describe in the book?
Absolutely. I was so fortunate. We come from a family of great cooks on both my side and my wife's side of the family. But on my side of the family, on Sundays, we'd go over to my Nana Isabel's house, and she'd make tamales and enchiladas and homemade tortillas. And I could still picture it today. I could still taste it.
And what's the connection with Someburros?
So Someburros is our family business. My parents started it in 1986 with my grandmother Isabel's recipes. And unfortunately, she passed away right before we opened, so she hasn't got to see the success and the growth, but I know she's looking down from heaven and she's proud of us. And for us now, we have 8 locations. They're all family owned and operated, and the taco stand is available at those locations, but also here at Sibley's West.
Great. And so what's the last message to leave with the readers of the book?
You know, Isabel in the story is torn. She's approached by a man who pitches her money and wealth and opening up restaurants all over the world. And, you know, you could have to read the book to see, but it's really all about family. And that's what Isabel decides to do at the end, is time with her family is more important than anything.
Great. Well, thanks for being a part of Sibley's West.
I'm happy to be here. Looking forward to being here on Saturday.